What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Martin, and today I am taking a look at this BMW 7 Series, a 745e. Now, 2 years ago we drove the stock car and really liked it. The drivetrain feels nice and powerful, it's economical, and it's affordable, because in many countries you get like a tax deduction because of the hybridness, which is also the case in Holland and also the case in Belgium.
This video is brought to you by manscaped.com. As the leader in men's grooming, manscaped.com is now going beyond the groin with their new Plow 2.0 safety razor for a super close shave of your face, neck and beard. Now this is the packaging, and then inside is the actual razor. That looks absolutely stunning. So it really feels very weighty and expensive actually, which I don't think I've ever said that about a straight razor. Looks cool, right? Gunmetal grey. You can actually opt into the Plow 2.0 blade replenishment program, and that means that you'll save a lot of money because you get quarterly replenishments of your replaceable blades. Now, how do you replace it? You just turn the head of the blade, get the replacement blade right in between the two parts, and then screw it back onto the handle. Super easy. Now we've got a very convenient mirror here with a couple of lights, so I can actually show you here in the back of our executive sedan how this works. I'll just remove any excess hair on my beard, and this blade has actually been designed to reduce cutting and ingrown hairs. Wow, that is sharp. We've got the Manscaped shed right here, which is waterproofed, very convenient to store all your other Manscaped products like the crop reviver and the crop preserver right there. Crop preserver. So if you're interested in this single blade double-edged razor by manscaped.com or any of their other products like the shed, travel bag, or any of the sprays or trimmers, go check out manscaped.com and use code AutoTopNL for a 20% discount with free shipping. Manscaped.com. Enjoy the video.
So this is Jentel's 745e, and he just wanted a nice and comfortable car. And the 7 Series, especially the facelift, is a very striking looking car. It's very imposing, and especially when it's all black like this, and these massive wheels, which I will come back to later, because these are 22-inch Vorsteiner wheels. They kind of ruined the car for me. Not only in the looks department, because I think a 7 Series with these big aftermarket wheels, well, it's a bit like you're selling stuff you shouldn't, right? Sorry, Jentel, it's just my taste. But there's more to it. It's ruining more than only the looks for me. So we have two fat exhaust pipes. I think these have been blackened, which is coming off, and it has a custom exhaust disc because Jentel said, well, maybe I'm switching to an electric car right now, and well, it is a B58 powered car, this, so yeah, let's just give it a good sound. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, it's a 7 Series, but why not just give it that classic BMW sound? So here is the B58 engine. Now, as stock, these are really detuned. Only do something like 280 horsepower. And with the electrical system, combined power is 395 as stock. Well, with this chip tune, 530. Holy crap. That's 750i territory. It's the exact same number. So let's see if we can do the exact same acceleration numbers. Well, this is a lot heavier because of the hybrid system, so it will probably be a little slower, but let's find out. But first, find out what that exhaust is like. Never thought I would test the exhaust on a 7 Series. Yeah, that's a good sound, right? It's just a bit more than stock. Nothing crazy. They've done a good job. So let's get going. Put the car into sport Plus. ESP also in sport. Let's see what it's like. So in sport you get that exhaust. I think there's a valve in there, and it's really a very nice sound. Even if you drive slowly, it's really noticeable and enjoyable. That's a good sound. Now, you might notice, what the hell is that steering wheel doing all the way to the right? I think it's an alignment job that has gone wrong because of the wheels. Now don't forget, this is a 7 series, the newest one, and you also have 4-wheel steering. So you have air suspension, 4-wheel steering, and there's just so much going on that if you change the wheels, you also have to adjust like the alignment, the 4-wheel steering. It all has to be like calibrated, and it clearly hasn't, because it's just totally off, and it's really ruining the experience for me. And even with launch control, the wheels have to be perfectly aligned. They have to all be facing in the right direction, and they are not. I'm going to demonstrate. So that's 4.8 seconds, which is really quick. That was by far the fastest one I've done up until now, because I got so much wheel spin. But 4.8 seconds, that's actually really impressive. I think we did a 5.5, something like that, with the stock car. But I don't know why, but that it's not helping me. Let's do that once more. Was it a lucky strike? Ah, okay. That's really weird. This is such a good review up until now. Because I've done like 5 or 6 launches already, and it's behaving very oddly when it wants to send all power to the wheels. You can just feel the 4-wheel drive system trying out each wheel, because it feels like, okay, this wheel is a bit crooked, and see that? That's what I meant. It's all over the place. The car cannot get the power to its wheels because the wheels are crooked. And because of the massive wheels, you also have a very skinny tire, and even in sport mode the air suspension is really soft, but the tires are super hard because they are that high. And that combination makes no sense, because first you feel the car leaning on its air suspension, and then the tire isn't like behaving accordingly. But the power, holy crap, the power. It's such a fast car. It's unbelievable. It is a bit unrefined, I have to say, because like when you go past half throttle you get so much power all at once. It could be a bit smoother, the tune, but wow, the potential. As I said, as stock these are pretty much detuned, these B58 hybrid units, but if you unleash full power like with this one, man, this feels like it could be a prototype of the new M5, because I just feel like the new M5 will be a straight 6 engine, probably the S58 with a hybrid system, and you know, it will probably get like 650 horsepower, something like that, but this thing feels like a prototype. Whoa, it is so fast. This is the serious performance. I mean, wow. Oh. I just filled it up with 102 fuel. Maybe that's why it's behaving better than it was before I refueled, but Jesus, it's fast. Okay, so 100 to 200. Well, just check it out. It's as fast as a 750i. Wow. I mean, wow. The 750i should have 530 horsepower. Now, we all know it has more than that, like with an M550i. And this is even heavier than that, so this is 530 at least. Probably a bit more. It feels really, really fast. Man, I'm impressed with it. And the faster you go, the more the alignment is less of an issue. So you get like rewarded to go fast, which I like. Now, the top speed limiter has also been removed because stock these things do 250, but this thing will go way past 250. But the stock speedometer only goes up to like 260 something, but my god, this thing, this is a tax deduction on wheels. And it's super fast. Jesus, come on. I don't like hybrids, but when it's a B58 hybrid, I'm all in. Wow, just look at this thing go, man! That's GPS speed 280. That's the sunroof not liking it. That's weird. Does the 760 have a different sunroof? I guess not, right? That's a bit of a shame. I'm really curious what its actual top speed is. This thing. What a piece of potential. Man, I love it. I would have loved it even more if it was on the stock wheels and it would have behaved a lot better. So, wow. Maybe we should get a 745. You could also do this with a 545. The car would be even lighter, it would be even faster, of course. So, that's insane, right? That's idiotic. Maybe we can even do a 0 to 250 and see how it performs on that list. No one behind me. That's 4.9 seconds. It's really liking the 102 fuel. It's night and day, the difference between the before the refuel and after. That's 27.27. No idea if that's a good result, but really impressed with this car. What a power. So thanks for watching, guys. Go subscribe to our channel, go check out this review, or go check out this playlist. Thanks, guys.